Photographers can capture a moment in time or turn the world around us into a scene for a story. The Hall family have a fun photo challenge for you. Can you use a camera phone to see like a curious creature? Here's the Hall's animal angle tips. Cameras can show us the world through someone or something else's eyes. Our photos can tell stories from their point of view. Mobile cameras allow us to make art outside and to see the world from lots of different viewpoints. The Hall family have been inspired by how Eileen Agar took photos out and about in the moment, quickly and playfully and from unusual angles. How does this photo make you feel? Where are you now? This camera shot starts a story. It invites us to imagine ourselves looking up as if we're a dog too. Here's some tricks and tips for using your camera to tell a tale. Looking up from down low starts a story about being small. Zooming into details or using what's around you to set up a scene invites us to imagine what life is like as someone or something tiny. You don't have to be high in the sky to look down from above. Use your front camera to look straight up into the sky, like a sky selfie. Which animal angle will you use to start your story? Can your friends think of what happens next?